Guys, look at this amazing chicken pilau. Wow, so amazing. Stick around for this fantastic recipe, guys. What's up everyone, I am ChefRogervlog and I'm back with another video. In this video guys, I'm going to show you how I make a Trini pilau. And over here, I have a list of ingredients. Alright, first up, this is my chicken already seasoned from overnight. Guys, so my pumpkin, my sugar, my carrots, my butter. Over here I have some pigeon peas. In Jamaica we call that gungo. And we have 2 cups of rice. Alright, here we have some fine leaf thyme, and here we have some celery and shredded benny, a pepper, some garlic and onion. Alright, and here's our coconut milk, and last but not least, here we have some pimento peppers, otherwise called flavored pepper. Alright, so next up we're going to brown our sugar. Okay guys, I'll come back. What I want to do now is go ahead and brown the sugar. I want to bring it across like this guys, so it could brown evenly. What you want to do is put a stove on high heat. Bring sugar to a caramel color. Okay guys, as the sugar starts to melt it, just want to give this a stir so you don't burn the sugar for it to be bitter. Look at this nice caramel color. Wow, see that guys? This is how you want to bring the sugar. Alright, so next up you want to go in with the chicken. What I'm going to do now guys is cover this and give it about 5 minutes, so allow it to spring its own water and get back. Okay. Look at all these bubbles guys, and the aroma coming out of this guys is so lovely. Wow. Okay, next up, what I want to do is to go in with my pigeon peas. Because I start. Okay, I'm going with some thyme, pepper, going with all green season guys. What I want to do is nicely I want to give this a stir and nicely combine everything. Okay. This is our rice already washed, so I'm going in with 2 cups of rice. Pumpkin, carrots, and pimento peppers. And guys, you just want to stir this until it's sticking in the pot a little bit. at this beautiful color, guys. Okay, next up, guys, you want to go in with your coconut milk. Guys, the aroma in this kitchen right now is amazing. Trust me. Okay guys, going in with some butter, some salty butter that is. And what am I going to do now is add a little water. And then add some all-purpose season and your salt. All-purpose season and salt. So go ahead and taste this now, guys. Wow, just amazing. Combination of all the herbs, guys, season. Wow. Okay, so I'm just gonna put the lid on now and put this on low heat and allow it to steam. All right, in about 25 minutes, Trini Pilau will be ready. Okay, guys, time to check it out. Yeah, look at bubble, guys. Wow. Alright. Okay guys, given this 5 more minutes and our liquid should be dry out, then it's ready. I'm gonna put back the lid on for 5 more minutes and then our pilau is ready. The finishing product, guys, of our Trini Pilau. Wow, guys, it's best to serve with coleslaw. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share, comment and subscribe. Alright, see you all in my next video.